Caleb here with Sunfind Solar, coming at you from another recent installation. It's just a small ground mount system that we completed for Fortis Alberta. But what made this system unique is this system is served by 12208 three-phase service and a 12240 single-phase service. It was installed as part of Fortis Alberta's testing, adapting to current changes in our electrical grid and demands. So Sunfind Solar was able to design this system to work within their testing parameters. So let's have a quick look at the system and see what makes it. So we have 460 watt Jinko bifacial modules here, just 11 kilowatt array on a 45-degree aluminum rack, fixed facing south. You can see the bifacial component here. So we've got nice bifacial modules. And then we have Fortis inverters here. So we have two groups of inverters. We have this inverter that is a group of inverters that is running at 12240. And then we have this group of inverters here that's running at 12208. So essentially when this three-phase service is connected, this group of inverters will be operating. When the single-phase service is switched in, this system, this group of inverters will pick up and operate. This system is designed to automatically transfer across between the three-phase and single-phase service. So let's have a quick look and see how we accomplish that. We have the two contactors installed in there. They operate each set of inverters. We can see the AC service coming in here, and we actually come into this Allen Bradley contactor here, and this contactor is controlled by leg 3 of the service here. So when this leg 3 of the service drops out, this coil de-energizes and this contactor comes out, operates a secondary control here. So this normally closed control, right now it's open. When this pulls out, this will close and it'll send power to this contactor coil. So then when this coil receives voltage from here, this contactor closes and it takes the 12240 split phase and supplies power to that group of inverters. So the idea is to make the system automated here. We can switch between phases, and each contactor will do what it needs to do to ensure the system can switch back and forth. At Fortis's underground lab, their test facility here. So this is where the solar PV system is interconnecting to get its AC source. So here is the transfer switch that'll be transferring between the three-phase service and the single-phase service. For our three-phase service, it's actually coming off the building over here and underground coming into this transfer switch. The coming off this transfer switch is going to the electrical panel that's inside here, and then we have our single-phase service coming into the top here. So with this transfer switch, we can switch the solar system between three-phase and single-phase, and that'll switch that group of inverters that we had to look at over there. That'll allow Fortis to do the required testing. So let's go have a look at this electrical panel real quick, and we'll show you where the solar system is. Inside the underground lab here, we just have the service panel here. There we go. So we have a 3-pole 80 amp breaker here that serves our solar PV system. We actually had to get in here and juggle the loads around a little bit because we're losing the third leg. When they switch over to single phase service, this third leg in here is lost. So we had to make sure all these loads here we're still captured on 2 of the 3 legs. So there we go, a fun little system here. Big shout out and thank you to Fortis Alberta for trusting us with your solar project. Thanks again for tuning in. See you in the next one.